बैक टू द विद्यार्थी चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं कैलकुलस। तो कैलकुलस में हम फर्स्ट स्टार्ट करेंगे डिफरेंशिएशन से एंड देन वी स्लोली गो टू एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स फॉलोड बाय इंटीग्रेशन, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रल्स एंड देन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। तो हम लोग कुछ एबनिशियो वाले क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। विल स्टार्ट विद डिफरेंशिएशन बाय फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल। शुरू करते हैं एक बेसिक क्वेश्चन पे, लाइक y इज इक्वल टू x। अगर मुझे dy बाई dx निकालना है, y इज इक्वल टू x, और यहाँ पे हम लोग मेथड क्या यूज करेंगे, फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल। तो विल बी यूजिंग फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल ऑन दिस। तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, वी विल बी टेकिंग एन इंक्रीमेंट, टेकिंग इंक्रीमेंट बोथ द साइड्स, बोथ साइड्स। जैसे कि ये हो जाएगा y प्लस डेल वाई। अगर हम इंक्रीमेंट दोनों साइड लेंगे तो यहाँ पे हो गया y प्लस डेल वाई इज इक्वल टू x प्लस डेल x। ये हो गया आपका फर्स्ट रिजल्ट, ये हो गया आपका सेकेंड रिजल्ट। इफ यू सी केयरफुली यू कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 from 2 and you are going to achieve, you are going to get del y is equal to x plus del x minus x will be del x. Dividing both the sides by del x, तो आपके पास यहाँ पे क्या हो गया 1. If you see, since both the values are same and del x is not equal to 0, it is going to be limit del x tending to 0 but not acquiring value of 0. So del y by del x will be called as dy by dx. इसका कितना वैल्यू होगा 1 in case of y is equal to x. So you'll be taking a much difficult question on this, which appears to be difficult but actually it is easy. Next question है y is equal to sin x. Again we'll take an increment both the sides. Taking this as result 1, taking this as result 2, subtracting 1 from 2, we get a del y equals to sin x plus del x minus sin x. So if you simplify this, so what is sin a minus sin b? So sin a minus sin b is 2 cos x plus del x plus x. Now you can put this in a square bracket, whole divided by 2 sin x plus del x minus x in another square bracket, right? Now we'll simplify this further. This is del y equals to, you can say this is 2 cos, so this is 2x by 2, that is x, plus del x by 2. यहाँ पे क्या बच रहा है आपके पास, we have a sin del x. Now dividing both the side by del x, and taking a limit, del x tends to 0, both the sides. We take a limit here, limit del x tends to 0. What we get is, we know that this whole thing, this is a function, this is a function, and this is another function. So when you take limit of two functions, so what we get is, this we get as dy by dx, this we get as dy by dx, which is equal to, we get limit del x tends to 0. Now what is the value for, if you put del x tends to 0 here, this is del x divided by 2. So we can take this 2 below del x. So I get a value of cos x plus del x by 2, and here limit del x tends to 0, sin del x by 2 divided by del x by 2. I can take this as separate limit and this as a separate limit. So what is the value? You can substitute del x as equal to 0. You will get a cos x. And we know that when del x tends to 0, del x by 2 also tends to 0. So using the standard limit, sin a upon a, limit, if 8 tends to 0, sin a upon a in this value will be 1. So using that, we get cos x into 1, that is equal to cos x. I hope this is clear. We'll take a third question. Y equals to x square plus 3x minus 2. This is an algebraic expression. We can take the same increment both the sides, which I just mentioned in this previous two questions. So x also will have the same increment of del x whole square minus 3 times of x plus del x minus 2. Now you know that this is your result 1 and this is your result 2. Now subtracting 1 from 2, what we achieve is, you can see, we get a del y, and what we get here, you can expand this. This is x square plus 2 times of x del x plus del x square minus x square. So I am taking these two terms together because they are square terms. Then we can put this as, this is plus, this is minus. So we can take the second term 3 times of x plus del x minus x, x plus del x minus x, right? Then followed by this 2 minus 2 minus of minus 2, this will get striked off. Here x square also will get striked off. Here x will get striked off. What is left is, we have a del x common. So we can rewrite this del y equals to, we get a 2 times of del x, right? Plus del x square plus 3 times of del x, this part is 0. Now dividing both the sides by del x, and taking limit both the sides, limit del x tends to 0 both sides. So I can put a limit here, del x tends to 0 both sides. What I will get is, first I will simplify this. This will become dy by dx, and what that will become is, first we will divide it. So it is a limit del x tends to 0. First we simplify it, and on simplification I get only 2x plus 3 plus del x left. Now if you put del x tends to 0, this part will become 0. Hence you get the answer as 2x plus 3 as your dy by dx. So we have got a rough idea about a trigonometric equation relation, a function. We have taken a polynomial function. We have done the ab initio with both the type of functions. I hope if you have any doubt, you will come back to me in the comment section, or you can email us to thevidyarthi.injat@gmail.com. So I'll put the email ID in the description box. Kindly use the description box to understand type of question which we can cover in this ab initio. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Shabbat.